man. Hey, yo, wait. Dude, I'm gonna check out the stars later. It's really trippy. Especially on weed, man.
I keep forgetting they actually got YouTube monetization back up and going right now, so y'all know to go update y'all memberships back for Higher Desert Exotic. Y'all know those are level 2 Buy Me a Coffee members. We appreciate that. Make sure y'all check them out this coming up Friday. They got a show already pre-plotted in the algorithm, so that's the good news on that. So they should be sending out notifications. Hopefully you get it. If not, y'all know to go check them out Mountain Standard Time, 5 p.m. over there on their time zone. So y'all know to link up with them. But like I said, y'all know these are the best podcast guests, as the video says. Y'all might not be able to see that part because it's over there. But hell, shouts out to you over there. There you go. Yeah, make sure everything's in shot. You dig? Y'all like number 20. You dig? I know you will. I'm over here hitting dabs though. Shout out to the big homie David Corey with the crop coming through. Appreciate you just stopping by, tapping that screen twice. You know, it's the best part of the show. Finna show the ladies.
From summer's end till the winter comes, till gray days turn to yellow ones. I stay grinding for mine. I try to tell them once, to travel to the moon, you gotta brave the elements. And battle many goons, you gotta cage the elephants. It's elementary, I speak with a certain eloquence. I smoke hella blunts, that habit I've been developed since I was a young boy playing the silver ball. See them stand, feel them fall, Metallica, kill them all. Living like this is my last moment, but a moment could last forever. Snap a picture in that colon. Give it every you going, sipping your glass, hold it up, hit the side on mine, get the tip in the back, go in. So many days we were sitting low, better get busy living till the day you giving and they get this go, pulling the cash and spend it slow, better make it fast, but then shit no matter no money, yo, it's all expendable. You be alright, yeah.
Alright, let me get my black ass back up. Because I do need to look at the work I need to be putting in anyways. Shouts out to y'all, because you know, hell, after I get up out this live, I'm going to actually do this work we over here talking about, right? Right, that way Saturday we'll have something else to show and tell, right? See down there, they look like they try to flower on my black ass, but hell, we'll figure it out. You see them root zones is looking real rooty, so we might have to throw them on in some pots. That's why I said we're gonna clean up some more. Excuse me. Clean up more pots and then put some things in the green room and get that back filled up. Then when they get a little bit bigger, we'll fill the tent back up. Hell, that's how it goes, right? You know, pull out that stuff you see that you don't like. Hell, don't nobody want to be picture perfect grows. Look at these autos. Y'all see they do the flower. Yeah, Yeah, they flowering for it. You see what I'm saying? See what I'm saying?